Hi Simon, it's great to see you again.
Hi, Brethren. It's good to be here.
How are you feeling today?
Well, I'm pretty good, thanks.
Well, it's good to hear. You know, Simon, last time we talked about the concept of acceptance and commitment therapy. Are you still interested in continuing with ACT strategy?
Yes, of course.
Wonderful. Well, Simon, today I would like to walk through some exercises. You see, in order to help you drop the struggle with feelings of anxiety and make room for them. How does that sound?
Well, I'm definitely interested in trying more act techniques.
It's great to hear. So today we will try a mindfulness exercise. It's called Live on a Stream. This will involve, allowing your thoughts come and go naturally without controlling them. The exercise will take about 6 minutes. So before we begin, do you have any question?
Actually, no. I think I'm ready to give it a try.
Wonderful. Let's get started. You may find a comfortable position. Here, sit relaxed and comfortably. And may I invite you to close your eyes for a few minutes.
Yes.
Find a cozy spot, settle in, and focus on one point. Now, imagine yourself sitting by a peaceful stream. This water is flowing by. You are watching that along the surface are leaves floating. Let your imagination paint the scene wherever you wish. Now, as you sit by the stream, notice which thoughts enter your mind. Gently place your thought on a leaf and let it drift along. Don't try to push the leaves away. Simply observe their journey. Some leaves may float by quickly, others slowly, and some might linger. Whether your thoughts are happy or sad, pleasant or painful, place them on a leaf and watch them coming and going on their own time. If your mind becomes quiet, simply enjoy the sight of stream. Sooner or later, thoughts will be flowing again. Allow the stream to flow naturally. Don't try to rush or wash your leaves. Let them move at their own pace. If the mind says, this is funny, or it's so hard to do, gently place these thoughts underneath and let them pass. If a leaf gets stuck, let it be. Don't force them to move. Just observe as it is. If there comes some thoughts such as it's so boring, or I can't be so patient, gently place the wash on a leaf too. From time to time, you may find yourself getting lost in your thoughts, or being pulled away from the stream. This is natural and will happen. When you notice it, gently bring yourself back and start again. Occasionally, remind to yourself again and again, thoughts will distract me. This phenomenon is normal. Realizing it, patiently come back to the exercise. Now gently bring yourself to the end of exercising. Ground your whole body and mind. Open your eyes and look around. Notice anything that you can hear, can see, can touch. Stretch your whole body and welcome you back. Welcome back, Simon. How was that experience for you? What was it like to let your thoughts come and go without holding on to it?
Wow, it was so interesting, Reverend. At first, I find myself challenging to not engage with my thoughts. I just keep wanting to analyze them or push them away. But but as I continue, it became easy to observe them and let them pass.
Yeah, that's great insight. Yes. It is normal to find it challenging at first. Uh, and what did you notice about the process of allowing your thoughts to drift away naturally?
Well, I realized that some thoughts seemed to have less power over me when I didn't react to them. They just came and went, and I didn't feel overwhelmed by them.
Wow, that's significant realization, Simon. Yes, this exercise teaches us the importance of observing things with a sense of detachment. So, did you encounter any thought that is difficult to let go of?
Mm, yes, I did. You know, I just kept thinking about how am I doing this exercise wrong, or I'm not good at mindfulness, and it's really hard to stop those thoughts from sticking.
I hear you. So you said you kept having the thought that your practice of mindfulness was not good enough, or you could be wrong, didn't you?
Yes, you know, these thoughts were too clingy.
Thank you for sharing that, Simon. Yeah, it's very common for us to have self-critical thoughts. But remember that the goal isn't to stop those thoughts. It is to observe and without getting caught up in them. So I think did very well by just acknowledging and letting them go.
Yes, Reverend. I think I will keep practicing that approach.
Wonderful. Yeah. Simon, remember our last talk? The key concept of cognitive diffusion. Uh, you may remember that it means the separation of our emotion or thought-provoking stimulus from any emotions or behavior response. So now, based on your experience with this mindfulness exercise, can we discuss how you might apply the principle of cognitive diffusion?
Well, I think I can start by being more aware of critical thoughts.
Yes.
You know, those are not mine forever. And I will learn to not let them drive my action and emotions.
That's wonderful insight. And how about applying the principle of acceptance in your daily life?
I think I will learn to accept any feelings and thoughts. And when I make a mistake or seem to have uncontrollable emotions,
Yes.
I will learn to remind myself that those are temporary and a part of human experience.
I see. Well, learning that thoughts are impermanent and part of human being is an amazing understanding. And this is also a very proactive approach for you to continue. Well, Simon, now before we conclude, I believe that a simple humble exercise will be good for you to practice. Are you open for it?
Yes, absolutely. So what is the homework in detail?
Yeah, please set aside 10 minutes each day to practice the leaves on the stream exercise as we just did. And try to focus on allowing your thoughts without any judgment and let them pass naturally. If you like, you may use a journal to note any insights or observations during your practice. Do you have any further inquiry?
Actually, no. I think I will do mindfulness exercise first because it sounds manageable.
Wow, perfect. So next week we will review your progress with this exercise. And in the meantime, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me.
Yes, thank you, Reverend. I appreciate your guidance.
Do you have any further questions for today?
No, actually, no. I think we covered everything important.
Wonderful. And I hope that next time we can keep up with your process.
Yes, thank you, Reverend.
My pleasure. Keep up with your great work, and I look forward to our next session.